It is I, Rami. It's your non-reactiveness that makes you seem otherworldly or supernatural to the earthlings, and this confuses them. What they don't realize is that you are showing them an example by being an example. Being an example is the way out. It's the way to have your cake and eat it too. It's how to live here by being the power and not being the powerless, clutching at anything to give them power, all of which is ultimately meaningless. What do I mean by the power? You are the power over thoughts, both yours and ones that come from individuals and groups in the populace. You don't always believe them, subscribe to them, or invest in them. You are free from them. You are free from the small identities, and now you identify as the only true identity, which is Christ. You are God in man, God in woman. We have arrived. Going back to how Christ is currently being perceived, since virtually no one knows what Christ is, virtually no one knows who you are. Maybe they think you are weird in one way or another. You look like a regular person. You have 10 fingers and 10 toes, and yet many are sensing something they can't quite put their finger on. Because there are still a relatively small number of Christ offices or aspects, there are many areas of land where there aren't any. Even in these places, people's radar has been heightened. They are feeling more fearful than ever before. They are feeling more threatened than ever before. What are they so afraid of? You. With a magnificent love, Rami.